Angels and Demons by Dan Brown is a lightning-paced, emotionally charged thriller that plunges deep into the eternal conflict between science and religion. At its core, it is a race against time, a fight not only for survival but for truth, for faith, and for the soul of humanity itself. The novel begins with a murder that is as chilling as it is symbolic. Leonardo Vitra, a brilliant physicist and Catholic priest, is found dead in the bowels of CERN, a scientific sanctuary. His chest is branded with a word that sends shivers down the spine of anyone who sees it: Illuminati. This ancient secret brotherhood, thought to be long extinct, has returned from the shadows with vengeance in its heart. Robert Langdon, a Harvard symbologist haunted by his own demons and doubts, is summoned into this storm. Alongside him is Vittoria Vitra, Leonardo's adoptive daughter, sharp, driven, and grieving. Their journey is fueled by sorrow and urgency. The Illuminati have stolen a vial of antimatter, a substance so dangerous that, if unleashed, it could annihilate Vatican City in a fiery apocalypse. And they've hidden it at the heart of the city, time to destroy everything as the world's most sacred conclave unfolds to elect a new pope. What follows is a breathless chase through the secret corridors of Rome, beneath cathedrals, through forgotten tombs, and into the minds of geniuses who long ago sought to reconcile reason with belief. Langdon and Vittoria follow a trail of ancient symbols, the path of illumination, that leads them to the very roots of human fear and ambition. At every turn, they face the ghosts of history and the power of myth. Brown forces us to question: is science the enemy of religion? Is faith merely a construct, or is it the thing that holds humanity together in its darkest hour? As cardinals are murdered one by one, their bodies marked with the signs of the four classical elements, the mystery deepens. And at the center of it all is the Camerlengo, a young priest torn between duty and disillusionment, who believes he is carrying out God's will. In the final moments, raw, shocking, and awe-inspiring, the truth is unraveled in a revelation that is as tragic as it is transcendent. The enemy is not the Illuminati. It is fanaticism. It is the distortion of truth. It is the blindness that comes from refusing to see the harmony between faith and reason. Angels and Demons is not just a thriller. It's a meditation on power, belief, sacrifice, and the enduring human struggle to find meaning in a world constantly torn between light and darkness. It grips you by the heart and refuses to let go, demanding you to ask, what do you believe in, and why?